Good evening all. You are welcome to the tutorials with From Eternity the Schoolboy. Today we'll take a look at biology. Biology review 3. Question number 1 says, one of the following statements is not true of viruses. A. They are microorganisms. B. They are smaller than bacteria. C. They can be seen with an ordinary light microscope. D. They can cause tobacco disease. Success. C is what? Yes, they can be seen with an ordinary light microscope. Is false. It's not true. You cannot see virus with ordinary what? Microscope. They are very, very small. They are microorganisms. They are smaller than bacteria. They cannot be seen with an ordinary what? Light microscope. And they can cause tobacco disease. What is the name of that disease? Who knows? Who bothered to check it up? The name of tobacco disease virus can cause. Who bothered to check it up? Nobody. Check it up. Check it up. If you can do it now. Better. So you know it once and for all. Number 2 says the prokaryotic cell type is characterized by a complex cytoplasm in which different regions are poorly defined. B. Localization of different regions of the cell into tissues. C. Collection of organelles and macromolecular complexes. D. Simple cytoplasm with well-defined regions. Favor. A is what? Complex cytoplasm in which different regions are poorly defined. Yes. In fact, it's not organized. Am I completely just scattered? There's no region. There's no defined this thing. It's just anyhow. No nucleus. Nothing. True of us. Yes. So that is for what? Prokaryotic. But for eukaryotic cells, you have a well-defined cells and regions in the cell. You know that this is, and there's organelles. This is mitochondria. This is, you'll be able to do that for what? Eukaryotic what? Cells. So the answer is A. Number 3. What is the level of organization of an onion bulb? Chioma. A. Tissue. B. Organ. C. Systemic. D. Organismal. Chioma, what's the answer? Organ. An onion bulb is what? Is an organ. If you see an onion bulb, that thing that scaly leaves there are tissues there. Am I getting? And the collection of cells from tissues, collection of tissues that form what? Organ. So an onion bulb is what? An organ. It's not a tissue. It's not all these systemic organisms are there to confuse you. Okay? They are what? Onion bulb is an organ. So the answer is B. Number 4. When a virus is placed in a non-living medium, its A. becomes dehydrated. B. Forms spores. C. Forms flagella. D. Becomes crystallized. Is it what? Becomes crystallized. Yes. In fact, you just become one. You just there. Am I complicated? If you see it under electron microscope, you just there as if nothing is there, but it's actually looking for where to enter and start replicating. Okay, it becomes crystallized. I agree with you. Did you all get the same answer? Okay. Number 5. The structure that controls the activities of a living cell is the A, mitochondria, B, Golgi body, C, endoplasmic reticulum, D, nucleus. Michael? Huh? Nucleus. Good. I think we've been shouting. I have described that one. I have danced over it. I have done a lot of things over it. So that should not be an issue for us, right? Nucleus control all the what? Activities of a living cell. So the answer is what? Nucleus. Number 6. The scientist who introduced binomial nomenclature in the classification of organisms was A. Charles Darwin, B. Carolus Linnaeus, C. John Ray, D. Louis Pasteur. Sussex. Huh? Carolus Linnaeus. That one is even if you don't know anything in biology, you should know this one. Three of us. Carolus who? Linnaeus. Okay. I hope we all got the same answer. Number 7. List 3 characteristics of living organisms. 7A, sorry. List 3 characteristics of living organisms. Number 1. Nutrition. Continue. Excretion. Reproduction. Many of them, but we are asked to just list what? 3. Oya Chioma, explain any of them. Just one of them. Explain fast. Respiration. Respiration. Okay, what is respiration? Tell us about respiration.
Just the process of
breathing. Is it true? She said that respiration is the process of breathing. Is it true? Breathing. Is it true? Is that even of respiration? Please, don't even talk about that. Is not respiration. Okay, I think I explained it here, right? Oloma, what is respiration? Talk to us. What is respiration? Is a part of respiration, but you cannot define it as respiration. Okay, it's just a periphery. It's just the periphery. Cellular respiration. Yeah. It's cellular respiration. You are able to write. It's cellular as at the top of it. It's not. You can't use it as a definition for what the respiration. Oh yeah, Oloma. As a respiration. Is that what I said? I said respiration. She didn't give us a good definition, so I want you to talk to us on respiration. Michael, respiration. Huh? Is what? Of what? Okay.
Using oxygen from the air.
Okay.
To release energy.
In the form of what?
ATP.
Perfect. This is respiration. Simple. If you are asked respiration, simply say it's a process of what? Of what? Of what? Nutrients. Am I full nutrient, right? Good. With the aid of what? Oxygen from what? Inhaled what? Oxygen, right? To do what? To release energy in form of what? ATP. Energy needed by the cell to drive its what? Activities. That is respiration. Respiration. See, breathing is just there to supply what is used for respiration and to remove byproduct of what? Respiration, which is what? Carbon dioxide. Taking oxygen used to carry out what? Respiration, and the taking out of what? The byproduct of respiration, which is what? Carbon dioxide. Two of us. That's why you breathe in oxygen and do what? The carbon dioxide you breathe out comes from where? from the cell, from the respiration. Am I completing the process? Are we together? Is it clear now? So, if you ask about the respiration, you can define it well now, right? So it's not breathing. It's just a part of it. Good. Thank you, Michael, for that definition. And the next one, another characteristics are so talk to us about the production. Offspring is always new. Okay, sorry, you are right, continue. A new offspring,
Because non-living thing cannot give birth.
Okay. So you ask is the person, you know what you say? That reproduction is the process of producing an offspring because non-living organism cannot give birth. No. You have answered the question, but there's something you need to add to make it, you can simply say it's a process of what? Production of what? It's a process by which living organism produce what? New offspring, right? In order to ensure the what? Continuation of the what? Species. Madam, you have seen the three of us. Good. So now living organism can carry out what? Reproduction, right? Good. Michael, define any talk to us on anyone apart from the one you have said. You talk about death. Okay.
Season
Okay.
Sustains the living organism.
Good. She said that death is one of the characteristics of living thing. Is it true? That is the season or the termination or the end of all the biological functions of the what? The body of living organism, right? So, what did you say? Okay, because these functions, once they cease to exist, the organism is as good as what? Is what? The three of us. I agree with you. So, okay, thank you. There are other ones, but I just want us to limit ourselves to what? 3. That's what the question says. The next one says, in a tabular form, state 4 differences between plants and animals. Success. 4 differences between plants and animals in a tabular form. Okay. Oh yeah, let's go.
Plant cell have a cell sac.
Cell sac.
Animal cell does not.
And we say anyway, but we say anyway, it's okay, Sha, but I want you to go to just plant animal. Forget, don't go to cellular level, okay? Just tell us generally between plant and animal.
Without what I was saying, plant has cell wall. Animal does not have cell wall.
I agree with you.
Plant has large vacuum, while animal does not have. Plant store their food in form of starch, while animals store their food in form of
Sorry, I'm telling you the answer.
glucose.
It's not glucose. It's glycogen. Glycogen. What do you say now?
4 now.
Come start fresh. And on 1.
Plants have cell sac. Animal does not have cell sac. Plants store their food in form of starch, while animal store in form of glycogen. Plants have cell wall. Animal does not have cell wall. Plant has large vacuum. Animal has small. It has vacuum and it has small. That animal do.
Sissy, yeah.
Plants, they undergo, they carry out apical growth. That is, they have the roots and stem. While animals, they carry out intercellular growth. That is, they have no part of the body, roots is no part of the body. Then,
So talk to us on apical and the apical growth of plants. Tell us more on the apical growth of plants in plants.
I'll just explain it.
Explain it again.
I say that they grow using as their roots and stems.
Okay, root and epical. Okay, animal uncle.
Their whole body, all part of
Their whole body. Okay, I agree with you. Continue.
plants, they undergoes holophytic mode of nutrition.
Okay.
Like that of animals, so
What is holophytic?
they make use of photosynthesis, the production of food.
Holophytic. Go to a more use if you are comparing. Okay. What do you mean between holophytic and autotrophic?
Yes, same, but autotrophic is under a subdivision. Autotrophic is also belonging to a type of heterotrophic mode of nutrition. That's photosynthesis. Autotrophic is photosynthesis. Those atoms. This is another topic.
Okay, and that one, let's not go in detail. That one, just simply animals obtain their own food, and plants generate their own food through photosynthesis. Animals depend on plants. That one is okay. Don't go into that and you start biting your tongue. You say that you are. I mean, that she said that it's a different topic because she went deep. So next one is what? Continue now. We are listening to you. Continue.
Okay.
You are distinguishing plant cell and animal cell. It's not bad, but you not need to plant cell and animal cell. Yeah? But you understand what I'm saying? Continue.
Animals respond quickly to stimulus, that to changes in the environment, while plants they respond slowly to stimulus or changes in the environment.
Okay. Hope we can hear what she's saying. Okay, continue.
Plants they have there is presence of chlorophyll in plants. And animal absence of chlorophyll.
Give. I don't understand. A gift. Okay, now next. Thank you very much. Next one says, name one organism that exhibits both plant and animal features. Favor. Name one organism that exhibits both plant and animal features. Euglena. Euglena. Do you agree with her? Okay. Chioma, tell us 4 animal features of Euglena. Sorry, 4 plant features of Euglena.
It has chlorophyll for photosynthesis.
Is that what I asked in the review? Yes. Okay. 2. Give me 2. Are you sure? Okay, 4 animal features. Oh yeah. Of Euglena.
Possession of gullets and food for
What? Bullets?
gullet.
Gullet. Okay, continue. Okay, for what? What is gullet for? For what? The intake of what? Taking of what food? Okay, feeding. Okay, go ahead. Next one.
Excretion and possession of contractive vacuum for extraction and
Contractile vacuum for what? For what? Osmotic regulation, right? Basically for What is it? What is it at the end? At the end, what is it at the end? At the end of the whole thing, what does it do in summary? Yeah, at the end, what does it now do? What? See, I understand what you're saying. Yes, I understand what you're saying. Yes, it's also regulation. Name one thing as in just okay. It's also just what okay. Which of the characteristics of living things do we find that osmotic regulation under? What? Excretion now. That's what I want to hear from you. Do you know why? You know, is Euglena unicellular? Is it unicellular? You know everything. As a unicellular is one cell living organism. Everything you are doing, Euglena is doing it in that one cell. All your complex secretive blah blah, Euglena has that. Chondrial macule is doing that job. You may see some questions they will ask you what is a secretory this thing organ in Euglena. Is it not? That's what I wanted to mention. Because there's a question you will see. They will mention osmotic regulation then. They will mention what? Osmotic regulation. That's what I continue. We have mentioned to Chioma. Next one.
Possession of flagellum for movement.
Flagellum. Say it.
Possession of flagellum.
For what?
Movement.
For movement. Flagellum for movement. Because animals, we said that animals move from place to place, right? So flagellum helps it in the movement. And the fourth one.
Possession of minor means for movement.
Minor means for movement. Is that all you did? Nothing else. Okay. Market, do you have anything to add in the animal features of Euglena? We'll still do this as a topic. I'm just, it's a review, so you prepare your mind towards that. Good. What is it called? Eye spot. Good. For what? Good. For sensing. To sense what is happening in our world environment. I like that. Thank you very much. It's complete. Two plant features of Euglena.
Plants has chlorophyll for photosynthesis.
Does Euglena have chlorophyll for photosynthesis? Does it have? Does Euglena have chlorophyll for photosynthesis? It has. The question is plant features of Euglena. Next one. You've answered it without knowing that you've answered it. Next one, I asked two plant features of Euglena. Next one is what? Imeria, my name is assignment. Kado, Michael Oya. The second plant feature of Euglena. It has what?
It has
She has said that one. She said that one. Everything that there is in the chlorophyll. That's what. You didn't. I saw this. No, I'll give you one. Gift. Give me one. No, gift is not true. I won't agree. Give me one plant feature. Oloma has said one. One plant feature of Euglena. You don't know it. Let me see what you are writing. You are writing assignment. we need yes, plant and animal reproduction, right? Animal does the same thing. So we need what makes it a plant, okay? That's what plant. That one is common for both plant and animal. Success.
Make use of Protozoic mode of feeding.
All these things still in the line of chlorophyll. Chlorophyll can produce. Give me something else. Leave feeding alone.
Eat food, it stores food as starch.
Where? What does it have that makes it to store food as starch? Call the name. That's what I want to hear. Who knows? What's the name? Have you seen it before? Have you seen it before?
Yes.
Yes, I have favor. So why didn't you say it? All right, next question. Pirate what? That's good. That's where it stores it for storage of what? Starch. Now, next one is, next one is, next question, number 8. The organism at organ level of organization of life is A. Euglena, B. Spirogyra, C. Ginger, D. Tapeworm. Oloma. Ginger. Do you agree with her? Yes, ginger is an organ. All those ones. Euglena is a cell. Spirogyra is cell, but it's multicellular. I hope you know. It's not a tissue. Then tapeworm, is it a tissue or a cell? Or is it at system level? Or what level is tapeworm? Is it at system level or organ level? It's system level, true of us. Is it system organ? Good, thank you, system level. So ginger is what? Organ what? Level. Number 9. Which of the following cell inclusions can destroy other cell organelles? This thing should be cell. Which of the following organelles can destroy other cell organelles? Okay, A. Central, B. Ribosome, C. Lysosome, D. Mitochondrion. Lysosome, yes. They have digestive enzymes that can digest a lot of things. Okay. Number 10 says the opening of the guard cells of the epidermis in plant is by the process of the opening of the guard cells of the epidermis in the plant is by the process of A. Osmosis, B. Diffusion, C. Active transport, D. Transpiration. How? What's the process first? Osmosis, I agree with you. How? When it does what?
When the cat cells to expands, which opens the pores, which forces water to rush in.
Okay.
Moving it from the region of high concentration to a region of low concentration.
Perfect. Increase your voice. I wanted to hear you. Increase your voice so they can hear you.
When the guard cell wants to open,
Okay.
the pores as well also open,
Okay.
forcing water. They expand, which makes the pores to open, forcing water to go inside, which moves the water from a region of higher concentration to a region of lower concentration.
Whatever happens, the bottom line is that this is the turgidity. You know what is turgid, right? Right? Good. Is accumulation, is movement of water from region one region to the other that lead to that what? Opening and what? That's the most important. It's not diffusion. Okay? It's not diffusion. It's not transpiration. It's not even, what is the other option? It's not what? No, it's not. It's not active or transport. We still do that one. Those things when we go into cell and its what? Environment. We treat those things because there you study how cell exchange material with the external what? Environment. That's what we do here. We do there. Okay, I think we have come to the end of our biology review. Of what? Number 11. No, we start at number 10. No, tomorrow we continue with this one. Which one? I should add. Which one?
Don't mind. Okay, yes.
Okay. Let me see what you did. Let me see what you did. Plant cell. One thing you should know. One thing we should know. We will still discuss it. You know, we are not distinguishing between plant cell and what. We are done with the word organelles. Are we done with organelles? No, we know. When we are done with the organelles, we now distinguish between plant cell and animal cell. One striking feature of that you must that is a landmark or significant when you see plant cell is that in plant cell, the vacuole is what? Very what? Big. That it pushes the other organelles and other things towards one side. Note that once you see that one, apart from the cell wall, apart from the rigid cell wall, am I communicating? That's why the plant cell is always like this. It takes a definite shape, true of us, like this. Or like animal cell that doesn't have rigid what? Cell wall. Am I communicating? These are features. Apart from other organelles that differentiate plant cell from animal cell, Golgi apparatus, endoplazmic is everywhere, not nucleus everywhere. Vacuole, this is large vacuole. Mitochondria, both in plant animal cell, ribosome everywhere. Nucleus, chloroplast. Okay. Central is in animal cell, but not in plant cell. It's okay. Let me see your own. Okay. Let me see your own. Why?
I can draw it.
Draw it in your notes. Michael, if I give assignment, do it the way I asked to do it. It's very important. Let me see what he did. Success. What are you drawing? What is your drawing? Success. Is it you just draw until you like and label it something? Success. Just draw until you like and label it any shape. You just label it whatever you like. Where is your vacuole? Success.
Look at my vacuum. My plant cell is big. All of them are vacuum.
It's not all of them cannot be vacuum.
Now look at the one I label vacuum.
So I said, yeah, plant cell. I'm not me say, yeah, plant cell. Go and draw plant cell well. It is not plant cell. Give. Okay, you are for what? Okay. All right. So I think we'll stop here for today. We'll stop our review here for today. Any question? In the absence of any question, we'll stop here. Thank you very much for your attention. God bless you.